Skin patching seals cracks in the pavement's surface layer to keep water and snow-related chemicals from seeping in and weakening the entire pavement structure. One or more prime layers of asphalt and stone repair and build up areas of damaged pavement. Then a seal layer goes over top to create a smooth riding surface. Here's the equipment for a typical job: an asphalt distributor, 2 to 3 single-axle dump trucks with chip boxes, a roller, a tractor with rotary broom, shovels, and hand brooms, and all the proper work zone devices. You'll use CRS2, CRS2L, or CMS2 liquid asphalt, or oil as most of us call it, and depending on the job, number 8 or number 8 and number 9 stone. The asphalt distributor needs to spray the oil at 165 degrees at the rate of 0.3 gallons per square yard. When using CRS2 or CRS2L, the pavement must be at least 64 degrees or warmer. When using CMS2 or winter oil, the pavement must be at least 59 degrees or warmer. On secondary roads, use number 8 stone for both prime and seal patches. On primary roads, use number 8 stone for prime patches and the smaller number 9 stone for the seal patches. Typically, a few days before the patching operation, the superintendent and distributor operator discuss patching options for problem areas and sometimes mark the areas to be treated. Patching day starts with Job 1 at VDOT, safety. Crews must begin their day with a safety meeting, discuss the work zone setup, the day's objectives, safety precautions, and what to do in case of an emergency. Before leaving the headquarters, make sure everyone has the right PPE and all the signs, cones, and radios you'll need for the work zone setup. Unless already marked, the crew leader or supervisor moves ahead of the crew within the work zone and marks the areas to be patched. Once the area to be patched is cleared of all loose gravel, sand, and dirt, the prime patching stage begins. The distributor and truck move slow enough for the chip operator to vary the flow of stone based on the condition of the road. It's recommended that 2 operators be on the chip box at all times. One lays the stone and communicates with the driver. The other uses a shovel to keep the box full of stone. Both operators also watch for traffic and obstructions like overhead lines and trees. When several passes of prime patch are needed to build up the surface or cover a wide area, do it in 2-foot wide applications. For the sealing stage of the operation, the distributor and the truck move a bit faster. The entire seal patch gets the same rate of stone, and the faster speed helps the stone fan out into a more even layer with less streaking. The seal layer should be about a foot wider than the prime layer on each side. An experienced crew leader will sometimes also use the seal patch to smooth over rough spots and fix other minor problems with the road. Immediately after the seal layer is down, the roller follows with one pass only, pushing the stone into the oil. If available, a pneumatic roller is recommended. The rubber tires more efficiently push the stone into the oil and cause less stone breakage. On long, full-lane width patches, the use of 2 pneumatic rollers is recommended. This ensures that the stone is seated before the oil hardens. Use shovels and hand brooms to take care of areas where the equipment can't reach. Place loose gravel signs to warn motorists and leave them in place until the loose stone is cleared from the pavement. As a last step, and to minimize damage to vehicles, a power rotary broom should be used to lightly sweep aside any loose stone. This is typically done after the oil is cured and within 72 hours of the patching operation.